Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. So we've been watching these vulture. Well, first off, we've been in the car discussing whether we should still go on this vacation. Just because there's so much new information and we'll talk about that later. It's a long discussion. But in the meantime, we've been watching these vultures. And they are trying to get this plastic bag for about, what, 20 minutes now? At least 10. And they want it so bad. Here he goes. Oh. Get it. Oh, he ate something. He is freaking out. Quick update on the birds. That box had donuts in it. Here he goes. Yeah, he did it. Yes, nice job. Great work, everybody. Today's Tuesday the 17th. For me, it got real on Thursday the 12th. So for me, this is day 5 of the coronavirus being real, and we have been reduced to watching birds fight traffic to try to pick up donuts. Cannot wait to see what day 20 looks like. If this is day 5.
Okay, this is gonna seem really small. The unfortunate thing is the library is closed at this point. So I'm gonna go through all of my books at home and have no books left. I prefer physical books, but if it comes down to it and I read all the books that I haven't read yet, then I can start doing Amazon Kindle again. So it'll be okay.
Sarah is much better equipped for this quarantine than I am. So we're finally going to the grocery store, and that might be the last contact with civilization we have forever.
Just because, well, we'll talk about it later, but I was reading a news article saying that on Sunday...
Let's save it for later. We'll save this for a little later in the vlog.
Toilet paper, disinfectant wipes, disinfectant sprays, bleach, paper towels, etc. 1 per customer of each item. And our milk, 3 gallons of milk, 1 carton of eggs.
This is how it was in Colorado too. All the other condiments are fine. Ketchup.
Right. And I'm just like, okay.
Everybody wants ketchup. Getting crazy, but not crazy enough for people to get veggie pasta just yet. Keep in mind, this is in Utah, one of the states that has the lowest amount. To put that in perspective, I think New York has how much? 900 cases?
No, they have 1,300 now.
New York has 1,300 cases. Utah is still under 30. This is what Utah looks like. Also try not to get too much because we want to make sure people who need it can get it too. They just announced that there's no more check-ins for short-term lodging, so we might actually not even have the choice to continue this vacation. Oh yeah. 2 for $5 Starburst.
Oh, crazy. Crazy.
We did it. through, got our groceries. How was it?
I feel like people have just been like, look at the store, look at the toilet paper is out and the paper towel, but like so much was out everywhere.
It feels surreal.
Anxiety inducing.
It feels surreal. Alright, well, time to head back to the hotel. It changes so fast. Like this morning we were about to go hiking. And then we decided maybe it's not the best thing to do. Maybe we should cancel our hotel reservations. And now we are finding out that we don't have a choice. Anyways, we might not have even had a choice. We might have been forced to cancel it if we didn't decide that we're gonna do it on our own. So just a crazy time. What else can you say? Just crazy.
It's crazy.